National Security Advisor Ajit Doval to meet Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi in Beijing on Wednesday. The NSA Doval will be meeting Wang Yi on 18 December for a top-level meeting to discuss the long-standing border issues following the disengagement that has started of the forces on the line of actual control, the LAC. And this is going to be very important, remember, because this comes in the backdrop of can India-China at least come to a surface level of engagement to ensure that border remains secure, safe, that no clashes are reported at a time like this. Remember, when the disengagement has started, it is happening, that 18th December, the Foreign Minister Wang Yi will be meeting National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, and that will be a top-level meeting. My colleague Shivani Sharma joins me for the latest on that. Shivani, good morning. Now, you know, I'm curious here because these are not counterparts. It's the NSA and it's the Chinese Foreign Minister, yet the meeting is happening. What are you picking up about the details and what is on agenda here?
This is a very important meeting, especially at the backdrop of the developments that have happened at Depsang Plains and Demchok, these two friction points where the patrolling has already resumed and disengagement has been done. And last month, there was a WMCC meeting in the national capital where it was decided that very soon the special representative talks that used to happen for the past 25 years, but they were stalled after the Galwan clash, were not happening. And now, after 5 long years and first time after the Galwan clash, it was decided that India and China will resume these special representative talks. Now, when it comes to the special representative talks, Pooja, it is the highest level of diplomatic talks. So when from India, NSA Ajit Doval represents, from China, Wang Yi, who not only happens to be the foreign minister, but also in the same position as NSA Ajit Doval for these talks, he will be talking to NSA Ajit Doval, and India and China, they will be looking at a broader consensus for further peace and tranquility at the LAC. So these talks are very important and they are going to happen tomorrow. And the National Security Advisor of India has already reached Beijing. We've seen the pictures with Mr. Wang Yi and how he's been welcomed out there. So this is a two-day visit, a very important one, Pooja, where India and China will be working on the confidence-building measures and on the further peace and tranquility, and to also decide
that will be the hope that this happens, that at least this line of actual control where we can expect a certain engagement politically, diplomatically, to ensure forces on the ground do not have to engage in any kind of clash. Thank you so much for joining us, Shivani, for the latest on this.